How to fix Coinbase app login problem. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can solve Coinbase app login error. Now, you might be facing the login error due to many reasons. In this video, I will guide you on how you can troubleshoot and fix your issue. So the first thing you want to do is check the internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is still persisting. Next thing you want to do is make sure that you're using the latest version of the Coinbase app. For that, head over to Play Store if you are on your Android device. If you are on your iPhone, you can head over to App Store. Here, if you find the update button, go ahead and tap on that. Once your application has been updated to the latest version, your issue will be fixed. If your issue is still not fixed after doing this, next thing you want to do is head over to your settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Here you want to find Coinbase. Tap on this. Next, you want to tap on the storage option. Now tap on Clear Cache. Then tap on Clear Data. Tap on the delete option. Once both data and cache has been deleted, you want to head back and then check if your issue is fixed. You also want to tap on permissions and make sure that you are giving permission to this application so that it runs smoothly. Once that is done, you want to restart your device and try to log into Coinbase app and your issue should be fixed. If it is not fixed, then you can contact the customer support of Coinbase app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.